Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Athira binti Sapri, and I will explaining about one design or concept that consider the best to apply in current pandemic situation. The concept that I choose is neighborhood concept. The idea is carved from Clarence Perry and Henry Wright that exemplified their plan for Redburn in 1929. It is to create a residential neighborhood to meet the needs of family life in a unit related to the larger whole by possessing a distinct entity characters. For the urban design principles of Wright included the idea of a superblock of residential units grouped around a central green, the separation of vehicle and pedestrian, and a road hierarchy with cul-de-sac for local access road. For Perry, the physical arrangement of the elementary school, small park, and local shop was the basic of his neighborhood. The first characteristic is size. The size of the unit was influenced by the size of population. A smaller size allows people to access to all points distance between the area and can make people save their time and energy. For example, students can easily go to school within a few minutes as the school distance is very close, and this can make them more enjoyable to learn at school. It also can allow people to do their activities freely in their home as we cannot go out safely. Distance from one house to another house also should not be close as the virus is easily infected as people if we close to one another within 1 meter. The second characteristic is boundaries. It is to make us feel safe and reduce an unwanted risk. Boundaries also can delineate our properties from surrounding one, help to reduce conflict between us and our neighbors. Boundaries like fence can keep us stay in our house and also make sure that other people can go inside our house without our permission. For example, if we had no boundaries because we turn to chatting with our neighbor in a close distance as it has no barrier. The third characteristic is educational institution. It is a place where people of different ages gain an education which is provide a large variety of learning environment and learning spaces. It consists early childhood, primary, secondary, and further or higher education. Those who get a better and good education can gain more opportunities in their life and tend to be healthier. It should be a central point to the neighborhood containing the school and other services in this current pandemic situation. The fourth characteristic is open spaces. Open spaces mean as any open piece of land that is undeveloped, has no building or other built structure, and most important, it is accessible to the public. It can also include a playground, public sitting areas, public plazas, parks, and even cemeteries. It is to provide a recreational area for residents and help to enhance the beauty and environmental quality of neighborhood. Open spaces give an impact to the health as open spaces often include green spaces such as trees or other shrubs that contribute to moderating temperature and reducing air pollution. That's all for today. Thank you.